2002 Nissan Maxima. Customer said exhaust leak noise. Gotta check it out. Got a car on the lift. Taking a look at the exhaust. First thing I noticed back here. Oh, that's terrible. Right there. Travel along. Customer said it was an exhaust leak. Here you can feel it. Two areas is going to be from the resonator all the way back.